गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम डॉक्टर रश्मि शर्मा, SPCGCA Zoology। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे नेचुरल सिलेक्शन। में एल्फ्रेड रसेल और वेलेस चार्ल्स डार्विन ने नेचुरल सिलेक्शन के बारे में बताया। वीक एनिमल्स आर रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट, लाइफ एक्ट एज सिलेक्शन फोर्स। एनवायरनमेंट में से जो वीक एनिमल्स होते हैं उन्हें धीरे धीरे रिमूव कर दिया जाता है और लाइफ एक्ट एज सिलेक्शन फोर्स इन कॉम्पिटिशन। नेचर ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन इज इफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन इज नॉट देयर, देयर विल बी नो इवोल्यूशन। अगर नेचुरल सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा तो वहाँ इवोल्यूशन भी नहीं होगा। डिफरेंशियल रिप्रोडक्शन इज देयर। नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, डिफरेंट जीन स्ट्रक्चर डेवलप इन न्यू जनरेशन एंड then they will achieve genetic equilibrium, और वो थोड़े दिन बाद genetic equilibrium achieve कर लेते हैं। Mutations are also important in genetic equilibrium. Only favorable genes combination are supported in nature. For example, Drosophila melanogaster red eye and white eye are present in male. Females red eye और white eye want to mate red eye male. Female जो है वो red eye male के साथ mate करना चाहती हैं. So white eye male will disappear in the process. Red eye are more favorable for the population. Working of natural selection. Number 1, reproducible units. Number 2, origin of genetic variability. More than one reproducible unit, origin. Reproducible unit, initial unit of natural selection. Reproducible units जो होती हैं वो natural selection की initial units होती हैं। Reproducible organisms of a population are unit of natural selection. Genes which are more suitable for environment develop more, and genes which are less suitable for environment develop less. More suitable genotype organism number increase and less suitable decrease. These new genetic variability store in the gene pool and develop new species. Of natural selection. Number 1, stabilizing of normal selection. Number 2, directional or progressive. Number 3, disruptive selection. Stabilizing or normal selection. When environment do not change, example Panaxia dominula, scarlet tiger moth, orange and black colored, yellow color, species formed by selection. Disruptive selection, homogeneous genes separate in adaptation, increase in favorable genetic composition, increase variability. One type of character changes to diploid or triploid in favorable condition. Stables et al. Studied sunflower in Sacramento, California. Two species, one in dry environment and the other in humid area. After fluctuation, differences maintained as it is. Professor Sehwag Wright showed the differences were due to different gene pools, interactions of variations and there. Artificial Artificial selection is AS, yellow color mixed with natural white color. After 5 years, white color wings start originating. Natural selection supports normal white color wings. Homogeneous state maintained. Directional or progressive selection. When environmental condition changes, directional or progressive selection takes place. Biston betularia is a moth of light color. Due to industrialization, black soot light color was easily visible for predators. One black-winged moth appeared and slowly all moths became dark-winged moths. In Europe, Biston betularia moth जो थे वो लाइट कलर के थे, बट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, पोल्यूशन और ब्लैक सूट के कारण एक मॉथ अपीयर हुआ जो कि ब्लैक विंग था और धीरे धीरे सभी मॉथ्स की पॉपुलेशन ब्लैक विंग हो गई. बिस्टन बैट्यूलेरिया बिकम बिस्टन बैट्यूलेरिया कार्बोनेरिया. Disruptive selection. Homogeneous population separated, increased variability. Stabils co-workers studied 2 species sunflowers in Sacramento Valley, California, one in dry environment and one in humid environment. After several years fluctuation, they became static. They were as it is. Professor Sewall Wright showed that variability were due to different gene pools. Interaction of variation and selection. Hardy-Weinberg's law, P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to interaction of variation and selection. Environment changes. A1 frequency 0.9, A2 frequency 0.1, 3 gene type individual present in the environment. A1 A1, A1 A2, A2 A2. Equilibrium, 3 will be in equilibrium. Differential reproduction, 1 allele coefficient of selection. A2 is 0.2 per 100. Only 80 allele will be shown in next generation. W adaptive value. If adapted is dominant, W is 1 minus S adaptive value. If adapted is dominant. A1 A1, A1 A2 and A2 A2. This is the table showing genotype. Genotypes are A1 A1, A1 A2 and A2 A2. Total is W and gene frequency is P is 0.9 and Q 0.1. This is initial frequency. 0.81 P square is equal to 0.81 2PQ 0.1 Q square 0.01 total 1. Frequency after selection is frequency after selection 0.81 0.18 P square 2PQ 0.18 Q square 0.998 0.902 and Q is 0.0998. Natural selection is a complex process. Natural selection selects most adapted animals. Natural selection is of following type: interspecific natural selection, intraspecific natural selection, intergene natural selection, interchromosomal natural selection, intercommunity natural selection, etc. And in natural selection, dominant genes are naturally selected and recessive ones are discarded. Thank you.